Negative feelings or obstacles tend to occur in many different shapes and forms. One of the small ways that we see these conflict is when we have one belief or value and another belief or value. And these may be opposite of what each other believes, causing an opposition. It can get very heated, and when negative feelings get heated, things get said that really shouldn't be or should be kept in your head. When you say these things out loud, it can cause you to lose your job, get you suspended or expelled from school. You can lose a friendship. You can lose your relationship with your spouse or boyfriend, girlfriend, fiance. And it can get you prison time, jail time, or get you killed. Another way in which negative feelings occur is when you are given the task or a subject that you don't really know how to do or know anything about. You may have a limited time span in which to gather all the information that you can and put it all together. And to make matters worse, you may be working in a group that know more about it than you, and you're the one that's taking the most time trying to get it all together and contribute your half. This can cause a lot of frustration inside you. Another way in which negative feelings are an obstacle is if you have to write an essay or a debate and you have to present both sides of a situation. If you feel too strongly about one side of the situation, you're not giving the other half. This can lose you points in school environments. It can also lose your audience if you're in a work environment and you're trying to win people over to your side. You're not winning them over if you can't even try and understand their side of the argument. Another way in which obstacles occur is when you cross a line between professional and personal. Let's say you're a manager and you became friends with one of your employees, somebody that you manage. Your higher up has noticed that there is something wrong with this employee. Maybe they're late, rude, whatever the case may be, and they ask you to scold, reprimand, or even fire the employee. You have a great relationship with them going, but you have to do your job. As a professional, it is your job. However, scolding, reprimanding, or firing them can lose their trust in you, as well as their relationship with you may end. That personal relationship. Another way that occurs in the classroom environment is, let's say that your classmate is also a good friend or someone you have gotten close to through your project, but they're not pulling their own weight, or they haven't contributed at all, or just seemingly disappeared. You have to tell your instructor about it, because they're getting the points for nothing that they did. Or your grade is going to get lowered because they didn't help out much and you only had so much time to work with. Negative feelings occur. We need to recognize, acknowledge them, and learn how we need to deal with them. That's what will make us a good professional classmate and help us in our career fields.